Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Arteon R-Line 2.0 TSI 190PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a stunning deep black pearl finish and it looks remarkable. The car's been well maintained during its life cycle by its one previous owner. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior bodywork. You have these stunning alloy wheels, which are the 19-inch Montevideo black, creating a really captivating look to this vehicle. Powerful aluminum mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimizing the risk of damaging them, and an electric tailgate. Simply hold the button on the key and you can access the boot directly. A great addition to the vehicle, especially if you have your hands full with shopping. A long boot capacity big enough to fit stuff like suitcases and golf clubs inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there as well. ISO fixed points in the back for your child seats alongside cup holders in the center console. A clean and well maintained interior. As you can see, we have the multifunction steering wheel giving access to the dashboard display. We'll touch on this soon, and panning around you can see we have the upgraded leather interior upholstery. This is the Nappa carbon style leather with the seat trim covers in leather. It creates a really remarkable driving experience. Panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. Multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, audio, and even your navigation whilst on the move. Over on the left hand side, you have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options for you to choose from, and going into our driving mode selection, we have the 4 different driving modes offering a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sports offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings, enabling you to get to that perfect driving position. Going into our park distance control with our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety in every maneuver, ensuring that we minimize the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centers where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse, where these sensors will automatically display. Lastly, the car also incorporates the heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there, and a dual climate control, which allows you to simply swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the heating or the blowers separately. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance, and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.